Meet John, a young and determined individual with a burning passion for data. He's not just a data enthusiast, he's a data detective on a mission to unlock the secrets hidden within the vast datasets. Just like his sister Emily's journey, John's adventure as a data scientist began with a challenge. He was faced with complex business problems that seemed unsolvable, but he was determined to crack the code. To tackle these challenges, John starts by diving deep into the heart of the business problem. Just like a detective, he explores, questions, and seeks to understand the intricate details, peeling back the layers of complexity. John soon realized that to solve the puzzle, he needed the right pieces. Data acquisition became his first stop. Collecting data from diverse sources, making sure he had the information needed to crack the case. He gathers data from various sources, databases, APIs, and more. But data isn't always pristine. It can be messy and uncooperative. John's next step is data preparation, where he meticulously cleans, organizes, and structures the data, ensuring it is ready for analysis. Think of it as the essential prep work before embarking on an exciting journey. With clean data, John's journey takes an exciting turn. He embarks on exploratory data analysis. It's the phase where patterns and insights emerge. This is where he becomes a data detective, searching for clues within the data. With insights in hand, John uses data modeling to work as magic. Just as a sculptor shapes clay, John shapes his data into predictive models, unlocking the power to foresee the future. But data alone isn't enough. Like a storyteller, John crafts compelling visualizations and communicates his findings, making the data speak and engaging both technical and non-technical audiences. John's work doesn't end with the data visualization. He must deploy the model and ensure its continued accuracy. It's like a watchful guardian keeping an eye on the system, making adjustments as needed. The data science field offers various roles, from data analysts who focus on data cleaning and basic analysis, to machine learning engineers who dive deep into model development. John, with his skills, can choose his path. And the rewards? Just like a treasure hunter, John enjoys not just the satisfaction of solving complex problems, but a handsome paycheck as well. John's life as a data scientist is an ever-evolving adventure filled with challenges, discoveries, and endless opportunities. Like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more such content. Thank you.